Sembut Menteri Rangba Kajala ubak Presiden Tensong ubak pet jakatanat kampo iyeng. Ula Pynbna mentaka sengi baka sorkar kalau penjadi Korphiw habaro ki Khappud ke Meghalaya bat ke Bangladesh nadu 100 baje janmit hadu 100 baje menstep man ke sengi. Kani kejing penjari da ke Korphiw kalong hadian bakaladon kejing Kynad hakari Bangladesh hak baka Menteri Rangba adu kategori ke Sheikh Hasina kalahab ban resign bat Petri nagari hadian balami kejing Kynad ke Bashir Khay. Layu ajingtip baka Hasina kala Petri no sya India hadian baki bor sipai kari Bangladesh kila bu por yaka bakan mi lani kan hapmat ya kejing tunjuk. Habakran mentaka singi ka santarik nailar arja arpesa ubak Presiden ulaong baka sorkar ka shim ya karai kalong bantek lakam ya kejing long jingman hak Khappud. Ka Korphiw kan terekam tang arspa meter na 0 point ni uri shot maupun na international pillar syapo India. Ula kentu iki patba bana trelang bat ka sorkar na kabentakan ni tat hadu baka jinglong jingman kan wan phai biang syaka bajai-jai hakate kari. Ubak Presiden ula Pynbna ya kani hadian ba ula lum kerki ya kejingalang hapdeng ke Director General of Police Chief Secretary bat ki head sipai ke Border Security Force. Ubak Presiden ula thuru baka sorkar India kala pharu sa khandai Battalion sya Meghalaya ban pahara hak Khappud.
Jika kami di kejing long ya kena ke Korphiw pada kata nama liok lah sekin don ke ban siwan rumpu na lah se tambat lain ya kejing in ngajong kalah bandon kata tengi ni prien balak se kalah benci aku kata nak lah ngau ni masih pada ruta kami in hapan impose Korphiw kumang ong yaki na jero lain arspa mitar ini bersekutu kata na jero lain arspa mitar siapa Meghalaya lene siapa otoriti joka itu apa jangit Komasan Maji Sansteng ngalakot ya ka meeting ka bakerki hadin bang yu ya kajing jia hangte ya po Bangladesh hakaba ka Prime Minister jong ka ri Bangladesh kala resign no bat ki kenrum bi kenrang bu kidang ni kidang bot ting la shim ya karai na ka benta banyada ya kari India banyada ya ka celah borokwe la shim ya karai bang nadu mentaka bid ngin pentrekam ya ke Korphiw kabanya sedang nadu kapor riu baje menit hadu riu baje menstep man kasni tat hadu bangin dapat dip da kumwaipa te ha kabede bat kene ngakerpan ikinong song hakini di border area kam tam ki bayatu ko bat kani ka Korphiw namar kani ka Korphiw kaba ngini impose kaba trekam kolombe nadu jiru lain kaba ngiju ong ka international border ars pak mitar siapo jom kari India lane ars pak mitar na kate ka international border international boundary siapo kajela Meghalaya jungi tina daw ngakerpat bekinong song kinya trelang bat sorkar namar ba ngimpa banyo ya kino kijing jia kila snosi hadin banyo ya ka kedrum keram kabajur hangte hapo kari Bangladesh. Dan point number 2 ba kajing don ki BSF personal hakine ki border area jungi poro ngakwa ban ong ba ka sorkar India kala phak gerpang susu khandai Battalion kini ki BSF personal hakaba ki don menta hapo ki border area chumi paro bat omtang kata menta ka sorkar India kadang penkre susu ban pha ki additional force sane sapo Meghalaya chumi namar ba kalong kecaka kaba lese kaban ketak nengko ya kanika kenrum kenram kebajia hangte hapo kari Bangladesh kumba nilaya yo baro any other students which is studied over there. So right now, thank God, at least all the students has been transferred back to Meghalaya and not only Meghalaya to Indian territory. See, right now I can't say much about all this because it is up to the Bangladesh government. But I could see the situation right now is, I think, all the trade activities, export activities, I think it is bound to stop.
Another thing, in the name of curfew.
What do you mean? Curfew should be implemented only from 0 point from the international boundary up to 200 meters. So within 200 meters, the BSF will take full charge of it, preventing those illegal, people who may be intended to come into India or to Meghalaya. That's why we have already instructed the BSF personnel also, while imposing the curfew, make sure that you have to also work together with the traditional headman, the Sardar and the Rapash. Yes, that very clearly, 6 o'clock evening till 6 o'clock morning. See, for that I'm telling you, in case if need be, that's what I'm saying. If need be, if the central agency wanted our help, we are there. Be it manpower or be it any logistical provision or whatever, we are there to help them out. Jadi kampung itu, kerana kau mau ambil ni kau benilai kalau ban prier, nama ba ngimlak man batai, ngimlak man tiga ba, negara dalam lasin ni kan, decision kita ba jangan, apa ngimman si kapan impulsi apa. Ya kau ada itu sulung baik ba, katu governance katerikam. Baca kata ni perterikam very strictly. Piong na ki Bangladesh ni, piong na Burma ni, piong na kiwi kiliru. Kami kaan kadai kebala klan mah. Bangidei ban diport, kadai ban be. Kila ni nginbuk ya ki kat kumki provision jokaan. Kena rada kumki balai menta kekenti ni khap ni hap ban bu ki additional forces kolomba ngiyoi ya kadai ke situation kapalong very unpleasant. Kalau ni masih kapan wat bat kelam ya kan ke Korphiw hakapor menbe ngi berjenis ke assurance ke New York nadu ke home ministry hadu nadu IG jong biasa kalau ba ya kaman kawa ngilayo na daw kiniki dai Battalion ki balawan ta lalu on the ground bat ba ya ka adisna kinang pha susu katkum ke jidot kam katkum ga department ka ba na kalian jong ki BSF IG nang di kipa sa Ministry of Home Affairs. The Meghalaya Police, we have already directed the DGP to assist whatever necessary to the BSF personnel in case if anything arises, we are open to it, and we have already directed the DIG to inform and to keep us informing to the state government if they need any manpower or anything from the side of the state government. Can be told by the Ministry of Home Affairs, but they keep informing the state government that right now the manpower, as far as BSF is concerned, we don't have much shortage. We don't have any shortage. However, it seems the government of India through the Home Ministry, they are ready even to send additional forces along the border Indo-Bangladesh border. Into consideration, and the BSF already knew the detail. They got the detail. What are the portion which is yet to fence? What is the kilometer which is yet to covered by fencing? So that has been done. Everything they already have all the details. And number two, from the state government side, what we are doing right now is we keep requesting the Rambashnam, the Srodashnam to work together with the government agencies, be it central or state agencies, and if they have any information to immediately inform to the higher authority for any necessary action as far as entry of people from Bangladesh illegally.